Good morning. As I told you, today we have to study about Windows 10. So this is the first page that you see when the Windows 10 opens. This is called a desktop. Okay. In desktop, we have some components that we have already studied in old classes. Just we will revise them. First of all, the small pictures like buttons present on the screen that helps us to open various applications. These are called icons. See, all these are icons. How to create an icon? Right click, we go to new, and we can choose any file or folder. Apart from this, if you want to create a shortcut for any application, we can click on a shortcut, then we can browse, we can find the application. Suppose I want to create an application for I want to create a icon for, suppose this page, untitled, then okay, next, finish. So I can get a fresh shortcut. So shortcut is represented by a small arrow here in the corner that shows that this is a shortcut. So this was all about icon. Next is the picture that is visible. This picture, beautiful picture in the background, is called the background picture or the wallpaper. How we can change or put the wallpapers? We right click, go to personalize. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, here you can put background. It can be a picture, it can be a solid color or a slideshow. Suppose I choose picture, then you can choose any picture from here, or you can browse online also. You can go online and browse, or you can browse in your computer. Suppose you have saved any picture that is very beautiful, you can select. Suppose I select this. See, now it is changed. Okay, change now. So once it changes, that means it is applied. Simply you have to go ahead and double click. Let me close and see, check. Yes, now you see my picture has been changed. This is how we change the wallpaper. Next thing, it is very similar to any other old Windows. We have a taskbar here. Okay, here is a start button. Okay, here are the quick access things that we want to access quickly. Okay, and here is a notification area where we see date and time. Okay, so let's start from start button. When we click on start button, we see here the window is divided into two parts, left and the right. On the left side we see the applications, and the right side we see icons. These are the icons that are made to access the programs quickly. Suppose I have to access WhatsApp, I can click and open here. So you can put the things here as well as you can unpin. Come on, I will show you one example. Suppose it is Brandy here. I can right click, unpin from start, or you can pin to taskbar. Okay, fine. So you can pin or you can unpin. You can here, we can create also. Okay, if you want something to create, suppose I want to create an icon here, I can. So name is changed. Okay, so these are recently added things here. Suppose I want to search any program, same way in the search box you write PowerPoint. See, once I write PowerPoint, on the right side I see the recent files and folders that I have opened. Okay, now next is here, just above the start button we have a symbol. This symbol is actually for the feedback, means if any problem with Microsoft, we can send the feedback to Microsoft. Next is a gear. This button is for settings. You can open settings from here. Next is your user account. This button is to create a new user account or change the settings of the existing user account. This was all about the start button. Next is your task view. This is something new in Windows 10. This was not earlier in Windows. Just you click here, you can see the recent opened files for last few days. Suppose I have right now Cam Studio and Excel is there. Before this, Flashing was there, then Paint was there. So this shows you recently opened things, and you can easily click and open any one of it. Suppose I open, I get here. Again go to task view. Not only this, we have also an option for creating a new desktop. See, I can create a new desktop, okay, or desktop one. So right now I will not create any desktop. Okay, I will close all desktops. I will go to my existing ones. Okay, so I will go to my existing desktop. Here I closed it, don't save. So I got to my existing desktop. So this is a new thing in Windows 10 where you can create a new desktop for yourself. That means you can get a new wallpaper and icons where you can work fresh. Okay, this is called a virtual desktop. That this feature of Windows 10 is known as the virtual desktop. Okay, so we studied about search box, left pane and right pane. Now it's time to know about the notification area. Let's come to the notification area. Once we are in notification area, here you see date and time. When you click on date and time, here we can set the date and time. But you are not advised to change date and time because it is related to your system settings and we should not disturb that. Okay, apart from this, we have a volume here. See, you can set the volume. Here is language. Language also we are not going to change. Okay, here are some hidden icons like network. Okay, apart from this, there is another feature that is creating a quick access toolbar. Here the things are already there. Okay, if you want to remove them, right click and unpin. So it will be removed. But if I have to add a toolbar for myself, what to do? Right click, go to toolbar, new toolbar. Now you can choose any file from here. Suppose I want to put desktop. Desktop, select folder. See, I got a toolbar here. Okay, not only this opening, you can close it also. Again, right click, toolbar, new toolbar we have done, right? So we can close the toolbar also. Close toolbar. Okay, so now you see desktop is missing. So this is how we close the toolbar. Okay, now next thing is shutting down. The final thing that we do, it's quite easy. Start button and here is your power button. When you click on power button, so shut down, sleep and restart. So this was all about what we do with Windows 10.